Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like tie-dye. I'm just tryna get it, I ain't tryna die. She got a big ol' on your booty, make the world cry. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Hold them bands down, hold your mans down. Who told you come up?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I'm coming to you today. I know I'm looking super duper different, but I'm coming to you all today because I am doing some wig reviews and first impressions and unboxings on my channel. So wanted to come on here and show you lovies this wig that I picked up. I actually picked up 3 wigs from wigtypes.com, and shout out to my sister Simply Key, or Key and Fam, because she is the one who made me go on there and actually grab these wigs, because I watch all of her wig reviews. Same way with Candy Poo 1100, shout out to her too. Y'all be having some bomb units, and wanted to go on there and grab me a couple of units to show you lovies on my channel. I used to go into the hair stores to get my units, but now it's like a waste of time. The last time I picked up 2 units was last year for my birthday, and I was highly disappointed in both of them. I wore them maybe twice, and that was it. I didn't wear them again. So yeah, wanted to come on here and show you the first unit that I picked up from wigtypes.com. I will have the unit linked down below in the description box, so do check down below for that information. So the first one I want to show you all is this beautiful red unit. This is by Zury Hollywood. I love any and everything Zury. They are just a bomb brand. But the name of this wood is, the name of this wood, really? The name of this unit is Nat-H 3A Jamai. And I got it in the color tomato. Sombre RT tomato. So yeah, wanted to pull it out, and this is by Naturally Star. I want to say the wig name brand itself, or style, is Naturally Star. So this is the packaging that it came in. So sleek, so pretty. I love, y'all already know I'm crazy about this pink packaging that we have right here. And I want to say it opens up like this, and you have your unit here. So I'm going to pour her out, and this is how she looks on the card. And this unit comes in an array of colors. You have 1B, you have a blush color, and the blush color was very pretty too. I saw that. You have an oil peacock color, a blanche color, a mustard color, and the mustard color is the color that the model is actually wearing. And I was kind of torn whether or not I wanted to get that color, but I said no, let me go ahead and get this beautiful tomato color. So the hair is super duper soft, very soft. And you have this parting right here, a little bit of that faux scalp right here. It did come with the net covering, so I will be keeping that. And the wig cardboard or form, this to keep it fresh. And this unit does not have any lace on it. And let me see. It does say as far as how you can, you know, wash and care for it. It does not say whether or not it is curling. Oh, yes, it is. It is high heat up to 400 degrees. As you can see right there, it is hand-tied center crown and Remy fiber, and this is a 3A curled. So in the inside, which you see here, we have 2 combs there, and we actually also have 1 comb here, and we have 2 adjustable straps there and there. So I'm not sure whether or not I need to, because this wig does look big head girl friendly. So I'm going to try her on now. So this is what she is looking like on me, y'all, and I love, love, love this color and this style. It's so pretty. I'm sure that I can stand to tighten her up a little bit because she is kind of slipping backwards, but she is definitely a big head girl friendly unit, which I do have a big head. And as you can see, there is that parting space. Definitely don't need to pluck it. And I'm going to slide back so y'all can see the back. And that is about how far it comes. Y'all, this hair is so soft. And I'm sure you can run your fingers through it to spread out the curls. It does have a few 144 orange color notes here, which is so pretty. I'm feeling that. I'm feeling this unit. It is so pretty, y'all. I really, really like it. So, yeah, this is the unit. Comment down below if you are feeling this unit. I'm trying to see if I can. I don't think you can style it any other way. And it's something very, very different. That's why I like it with the bang and the color. Like, this color is just everything. I love red hair on me. I just love, and it's not like, it's like a red orange type of color. And I think it is so pretty. So yeah, comment down below if you like this unit or if you own this unit. Comment down below. Do check this unit out. Like I said, I will leave the links to 3A Jamai down below in the description box, so do check her out on wigtypes.com, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye, y'all.